Welcome to my channel. Eero Wi-Fi not connecting? Simple Troubleshooting Guide 2026. 1. Perform a full power restart. Unplug your Eero and modem for 10 to 15 seconds. Right pointing arrow. Plug them back in. Right pointing arrow. Wait 2 minutes for complete reboot and autosync. 2. Check Eero LED indicator status carefully. Solid white, working normally. Blinking white, starting up. Solid red, no internet connection. Blinking red, critical issue. Use this to identify the exact problem. 3. Reboot modem before Eero. Always restart your modem first. Right pointing arrow. Once internet light stabilizes. Right pointing arrow. Power on the main Eero. This ensures proper IP assignment. 4. Verify all wired connections. Check your Ethernet cable from modem. Right pointing arrow. Eero gateway port. Loose or damaged cables are a common connection issue. 5. Run network diagnostics via Eero app. Open Eero app. Right pointing arrow. Home. Right pointing arrow. Troubleshooting. Right pointing arrow. Run diagnostics. This detects signal, speed, and internet related issues automatically. 6. Disable VPN, proxy, firewall apps. These apps may block Eero from communicating with your modem. Turn them off temporarily during setup and troubleshooting. 7. Improve distance and placement. Place the main Eero in an open area, not behind TVs, cupboards, or walls. Avoid interference from microwaves, Bluetooth speakers, and large metal objects. 8. Check internet from your ISP. Sometimes the Eero is fine but the internet is down. Use mobile data to confirm if your ISP has an outage. 9. Update Eero system software. Go to Eero app. Right pointing arrow. Settings. Right pointing arrow. Software updates. Right pointing arrow. Install the latest version. Updates fix bugs and improve connectivity. 10. Factory reset as the final option. Press and hold the reset button for 15 seconds until LED flashes. Right pointing arrow. Reconfigure again using the Eero app. Do this only if all other steps fail. Thanks for watching.